you can see, we do have some snow going into the eastern parts of the state. Now, we do also have a lot of clouds, so if you did step outside today, well, yes, it was very cloudy and gloomy out, so make sure you're taking that vitamin D because it can get a little stressful, but that's okay. That is good for all you snowboarders and everyone who does love the slopes because as we just had Dusty and Powderhorn has been quite popular this year. They actually did open early, so the snow is good. We're doing much better than we are on the East Coast. I actually have a friend who is from the East Coast, and he says they've seen about 5 inches so far this year, which is very rare around this time because I'm from the East Coast. So anyway, we're going to go to Grand Junction View. Now, as you can see, Parachute has a little bit going on up here. There is some snow, just in certain spots. Now, as you can see, Grand Junction also doesn't really have what's going on, but that's actually expected, obviously, on the west. And then there is a little dot that's paused about, right here. Yeah, right here. Just getting used to this weather-wise. It's fun. So Glenwood Springs, as you can see, will be obviously be getting snow. I-70 will also be getting snow, so be careful. The driving conditions could most likely be a little sketchy around this time. So now we are actually going to, okay, look at this. Tonight, mostly cloudy, chance of flurries for Grand Junction, 10 degrees. So we are just at the, double-digit numbers. So be careful driving, obviously, because there is a chance of flurries out. Let's go. Okay. So tomorrow's conditions, again, flurries, but it is about 15 degrees warmer, so we are approaching that 32-degree mark where things may not be frozen, but I will warn you, the roads do get a little slick and things do get a little sketchy out there, so you have to be careful of the ice underneath the snow. I know this from the East Coast. But anyway, so that is tomorrow's forecast. Now let's look at our 3-day forecast, our next 3 days. Wednesday will be a 30% chance of precipitation. Look at the little sun peeking through the clouds. That's fun. And then it'll also be 25 degrees with a low of 8 degrees. So bring those coats, bring those jackets, bring those mittens, bring everything. And then Thursday we have a 20% chance of precipitation. So not too much, but just expect maybe a flurry here, a flurry there. Nothing much though, as I said. Now it is 4 degrees as a low, so be careful at night. Again, when you're driving, it gets really cold, and I mean, don't leave your cars running either. If you want to warm your car up, you should probably sit in it. And then on Friday, it's going to be 23 degrees. We're going to be in the negatives, unfortunately. It's almost like Alaska here. It's a little scary. I have not seen a negative number since I lived in the East Coast, so that'll be a first for me here anyway. Now, this is the Sumatros weather. Okay, now Aspen. Aspen's looking a little colder, actually. 20 degrees on Wednesday, 18 on Thursday, and 20 on Friday. Now with a low of 3. Now, we're down to -8 on Friday, which is that's really cold. So you guys make sure, warm up, get your fires going, warm up by the fire, stay inside because it can get really cold. You can get frostbite. That's never good, as we all know. Our 3-day planner for Grand Junction. So we do have a 25-degree high on Wednesday, 10-degree low, 22-degree high on Thursday, and 4-degree low, and then 20 degrees on New Year's Day. So, and it looks like it's going to be sunny. Oh, that's really exciting. I'm super excited for that. I do have to work those, but that's okay. Now our 7-day forecast, obviously, we are going to keep on through the 20 degrees, which is great, and then our lowest will be 0 on Friday, which is New Year's Day.